Hey guys, what's going on? Let me put the window up. It's your girl Liv. Welcome back to my channel. I am currently at work right now. I am in my lunch break, and I decided to do a little mukbang with you. I don't know if that's how you say it. I don't know if that's how you say it, mukbang or mukbang, or I don't know. But I brought my own lunch. I cooked on Sunday afternoon, and I did a little meal prep. I was supposed to upload that video for you guys yesterday, but since yesterday was my first day at work, I got home late and I couldn't record. I couldn't upload the video, but I will be uploading the video sometime this week. I'm gonna upload the mukbang first because I'm recording from my phone, and I can do that here at work. Just upload it because I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna upload it, so that's a lot easier for me. So I'm gonna just upload it today, and the meal prep I will be uploading it sometime this week. So yeah, but I cooked it's hold on, it's really hard. It is chicken. I got chicken. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's chicken and cauliflower rice, some veggies, and some cucumber. So there you go. Damn, that sucks. I wish you guys can see the food while I eat. But oh, hold on. There you go. But yeah, guys. So yesterday was my first day at work. Look at that chicken. Delicious chicken. There you go. But this is bomb. But it's so bomb. It's delicious. But yeah, yesterday was my first day. So far it's good. I like it. But it's a lot of learning to do about the company I'm gonna be working for. I'm working for debt collection company. That's some cauliflower rice with a little bit of chicken, and it's just a lot. It's a whole different field, a whole different environment from what I'm accustomed to. You know, and it's I'm not gonna say hard because I'm learning as I go, but now it makes sense because I've been in debt. I'm still in debt, and I understand the people that they be calling me, collecting my debt. So I know it's gonna be hard, especially when people pick up the phone and they're angry and they're just gonna start being so rude to you and stuff like that. But I think I will be able to manage. But I'm just a little bit nervous to start on this field. Like I said, so far I'm only learning about the company now and how to pick up calls and the laws of every state, the law from New York City, the laws in California and Florida. So far it's good. It's my second day today, so yeah. I was so hungry in there. I was like, oh my god, I'm starving. I couldn't even hear my stomach rumble. There's security right behind the car. Can you guys see? These are some onions and peppers. The portions, the portion size are really, really good. They're like perfect. So I have an hour break for lunch, which I think is pretty decent. And not just that, like, I never worked at a place where I actually take a whole freaking hour for lunch. When I used to work for Chipotle, it was only like, was it 10 minutes? Yeah, I think it was only 10 minutes. Yeah. And you will divide that into like 8 hours. So you will take 10 minutes after 10, and then like another 10 minutes after 2:30, after rush peak hour would end. And I was like, what the hell, man? I don't even have enough time to fucking sit down and start eating. Like, what the hell? But here, here you have a whole freaking hour. Oh, and another thing, at Chipotle, I used to rush eating. Sorry about that, guys. I got a call. But what was I saying? Oh man, I forgot. I forgot. Oh my god. What was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. But I think I was talking about the whole, oh yeah, I think. So right here you get a whole hour. And it's like, so Chipotle you only get 20 minutes, 10 minutes at 10 or before 10. And then 10 minutes after 2 p.m. And you wouldn't have, I mean, 10 minutes is nothing, like I would grab my food, go to the table, take a bite too, that's it. Now I have to throw my food away because I was not allowed to take the rest of my food. I was not allowed to put it away and take it with me, which is stupid. Oh yeah. And I would rush to eat, and I would hate that. I got so accustomed to eating so fast because I'm the type of person that I take my time to eat. I really do. And then whenever I take my time to eat, especially when I'm super super hungry, then yeah, you will see me eat like fast. Well, not fast, but yeah. But that's that. And right now I have an hour from 12 to 1. And then after, the best thing about this job is like, come on, I can take a 15-minute break at 10, then lunchtime at 12, then another break, paid breaks, 15-minute break, paid, and then another break at 3 p.m. paid. The only thing that they don't pay you is your lunch, but your lunch break. But hey, an hour and 30 minutes, who doesn't want that? I haven't ate my cucumbers. What time is it? 12:18. Oh, and then on top of that, I forgot to take out my lunch in the morning. Because right there, they have everything. Oh my god. Whenever I have a chance to show you, that's if I can. They have their own cafeteria. It has a lot of snacks, but you do have to purchase those snacks. I mean, it has a coffee machine, a frappuccino machine, soda machine, chips, soda, cookies, chocolate, noodles, lunch. They even sell sandwiches, subs, things like that. I mean, they're right there for you. You just have to grab it and pay for it. And it's like freaking awesome. I never worked at a company that treats you good. And then on top of that, this company treats us lunch every month at the end of the month. Only once a month at the end of the month. And it's freaking amazing. Who doesn't want free food at work? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I have to go to the restroom. You guys, I'm so sorry if you guys can't see. But the way I'm here in my car, and then I don't want to do it over there in the cafeteria because it's crowded. Maybe later on in the future, once I get adjusted to the place and adjusted to the people around me, or to whoever that is going to be hanging around with me, if they're okay with it, I will start recording and do a little mukbangs during my lunch break. But yeah. And this lunch is enough until you get out of work and just go home, have a fruit bowl, what's it called? A salad. But right now I'm trying not to eat carbs for 2 weeks, this week and next week. I'm gonna try my best not to eat carbs, and if I do, I will only do it on the weekend, because I am rewarding myself. Like this whole week I did meal preps, and that's for a fucking reason, because I'm trying to watch what I eat. And at the end of the day, on the weekend, I am gonna reward myself. If I'm gonna be craving pizza, I am gonna buy myself a pizza. If I'm craving wings, I'm gonna buy myself freaking wings. If I'm craving a freaking Subway loaded with Chipotle sauce and stuff, I am gonna get that. But don't get me wrong, I am not gonna get it in one day. Hell no. Not meaning like, oh, it's Saturday's coming and I want pizza, 11 a.m. Then at 3 p.m. I want chicken wings and more pizza. No, it's just gonna happen once a week. Oh, once every week. Weekend. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my chicken and I'm gonna head back inside because I really have to go pee, and I'm holding them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I said that out loud. Then to go pee. But hey. Oh. Another thing. I am so sorry. Last week I was on my first live on my computer, and I told you guys I was gonna go back on either Friday or Saturday, but I couldn't. I had so much shit to do. A lot of things. And then on top of that, I got a call saying that my uncle was not released to his home, but he was released to a facility because he needed more treatment on his leg and he needed oxygen. So he needed to be treated at a facility. So that was another thing. And then when was it? That was on Saturday. On Sunday on Sunday they gave us a call saying that he's back at the hospital because they are going to amputate his leg. So that's gonna happen today or tomorrow as we speak. I think that's gonna happen today. Yeah, she said Tuesday. Yeah, my uncle's wife called, and yeah, she said that on Tuesday they were gonna amputate his leg. So once I'm done eating and going to the restroom, I'm gonna make a quick call and check on that. how's it going, because man, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna eat the cucumbers because they don't look fresh after being here for like 4 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 hours, yeah. This is bomb. I'm sorry you guys cannot see, but I hope you guys are enjoying this mukbang. And last piece in my mouth. What the hell? The good thing that I brought like those Mentos, because I'm having onion, the purple onion, and that is just stinky. But anyways, alright guys, I'm gonna go inside, drink some water, and go to the restroom. And I'm gonna try to see if I can upload this video. What time is it? 12:25. I probably ate like in 10-15 minutes or so. I'm gonna try to upload this after I finish talking to my uncle's wife, and I'm gonna see what's going on. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little mukbang, my first mukbang or whatever it's called. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is your girl Liv, and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.